हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग। कैसे हो दोस्तों? लास्ट वीक हम लोगों ने कुछ स्टॉक्स एनालिसिस किए थे। आई थॉट विल कंटिन्यू दिस trend of Flipcoin stock trends. This week also we will try to analyze some of the stocks. Again, we are telling that this is for just an educational purpose. So if you would like to invest or trade, so based on your risk reward, you take a call. Otherwise, you consult your financial advisor before investing any kind of stocks. So in today's session, we'll see some of the stocks right from Nifty, Philip Carbon, Godrej, Sun TV, and JK Tyre and Kaya. As we see, first we'll see the Nifty. So Nifty, as we can see that it has stuck in a range from almost the last 2 months. So June, July, entire thing it has been stuck in a range between 15,500 level to 15,900. So 400 के पॉइंट में निफ्टी कंसोलिडेट हो रहा है. So we need a decisive breakout either on 16,000 side, that is around 15,950, to continue the momentum towards upside. So if suppose it closes below 15,450, so then there might be a mild correction might expected in Nifty, but as of now it is on a consolidation mode. So we'll see. So the probability that we are expecting that it might go to 16,000 in next week. So that is what we are thinking. The main reason is the kind of recovery it had on 28th July. So that is giving some kind of a boost, so that Nifty might see all-time high again. That is, the last all-time high was around 15,962. That is around 38 points short of 16,000. But this time, I think this week, most probably we will reach the 16,000 level. That is the expectation. So let's see. So once it crosses 16,000, at least for a week or two, so then we can see that it might continue its momentum towards 16,100 and 16,200. So 16,000 is a crucial level as of now. So most of the bigger players, option writers, are not allowing it to cross 16,000. So as of now, the Nifty is still consolidating, but the bias is on the upside. So we are hoping that Nifty will soon reach all-time high, or it might cross 16,000 soon. So let's see how it goes. The first stock, we'll see that the first one is the Philip Carbon. Philip Carbon, last week it has given a good return. So last week almost it has crossed. So last week it has given a breakout of 16%. This analysis we already posted on Twitter channel. So as I told we have a Twitter handle called FCI Bank. So you can just go and search this on Twitter, and you can follow us for regular updates. So we'll be putting a lot of charts. So we'll giving regular calls there. So you can follow there, and we have a link for Telegram also in that Flipcoin ID. So our Telegram ID is Flipcoin Investments. So you can follow us there also. So let's see, the Philip Carbon, we are expecting that it might reach 290 level in the coming week. So that is going to be the all-time high for almost all-time high. So there is a resistance at around 290. So that is what we are expecting. So still there is a 20 rupees move left in this Philip Carbon. So we are expecting that it might happen in the coming week. They have posted a very good result. So after a long ascending triangle, it has given a breakout last week, and it has made a very good move around 16%. So still it has some steam left, maybe around maybe around 290. We can see some resistance. So maybe another 20 rupees move left in the Philip Carbon. Let's see how it goes. The next stock we would like to discuss is Godrej Agrovet. This is also given a very good breakout on a Friday. That is, it is around, current stock price is around 697. So we are expecting at least it might reach around 725 levels in the coming week. That is around 25-30 rupees. So still 4-5% left in this Godrej Agrovet. Once it crosses and closes above the 730 level, so let's see After that, it opens up for more upside. This this could be the potential stock for a medium term investment, but we need to wait for this 735 to close on a weekly basis. Once it closes about 735, around 740, so then we can take a decision. So Godrej Agrovet, we are expecting that this week it might reach around 725 to 730 level. So let's see how it goes. The next stock we would like to discuss is Sun TV. Sun TV, actually it was our trading call as well. Still, we are holding this stock from 560 level. We bought it on Friday. It has given a good breakout on Friday. The next movement, the immediate movement could be around 600 rupees, and maybe it might reach 620 also. It has a very good steam left in this stock, so 600 620 could be the possible target for Sun TV in the coming week. And the next one we would like to see is JK Tyre. It's a little bit risky trade, I would like to say. After a long consolidation for almost a month and a half, finally it is showing some kind of momentum in this JK Tyre. The first target could be 155 to 160, so that is around 12 to around 7 rupees to 12 rupees target left in the stock. So that might happen in the coming week. So let's see how it goes. So another 12-13 rupees left in this stock. So 160 we are expecting in the coming week. That is 12 rupees from the current price. So that is what our expectation. And if you are looking for some kind of medium-term investment, this medium-term in the sense 1 year or a 2 year, so this Kaya could be the good stock which could be potentially heading towards 600 to 700 levels. So, but you need to wait for an entry. Currently, it is trading at around 493 rupees. Entry should be done at 523. And the stop loss should be 470. The first target we are kept at 600, so we kept it has a good potential of reaching the upper trend line, that is around 700, 740 to 800. So it could be a good stock for next 1 year, one and a half year. So you can take your calculated bet on this. So Kaya could be the next medium-term good investment stock, along with Philip Carbon. So Philip Carbon, just we need to wait. So these are the good stocks for medium-term also. Sun TV is also good, Philip Carbon and Godrej Agrovet. But as of now, Kaya looks to be a potential one among all, because Philip Carbon and Godrej Agrovet and Sun TV, as we discussed, there is some kind of resistance, maybe another 4-5% left in that. So after that, we'll see in the next week how it goes. So if suppose it is breaking and closing above those resistance, we can take a call, and we can look for a medium term like 1 to 2 years or a 3 years kind of thing. So but Kaya could be the one of the immediate bet now. So the levels have been mentioned. This chart has also been posted on our Telegram as well as Twitter channel. So please do share this video with your friends. Also follow us on Twitter. Keep sharing and keep liking. And if you have any kind of queries, you can post it on Twitter, or you can comment it on YouTube also. So we'll keep bringing more things in the coming days. Your support is necessary for us. So we are from Flipcoin Investments. So it's a one-stop solution for your all the financial needs. So if anything is there, you can come back to us and you can ask for a clarification. So thank you, friends. Thanks for your time, and have a nice evening. Bye.